In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google as your default search engine in Microsoft Edge. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to set Google as your default search engine in Microsoft Edge. Whether you prefer Google's powerful search results or just want a more consistent browsing experience across all your devices, this guide will make it simple for you. Now, you might wonder why you would want to change your default search engine. By default, Microsoft Edge uses Bing as its primary search engine. While Bing does have its own strengths, many users find Google's search algorithms more familiar and frankly more accurate. If you're someone who regularly relies on Google for research, work, or just day-to-day searches, switching the default engine can save you time and avoid any unnecessary frustration. All right, let's get started by launching Microsoft Edge. Open the browser on your Windows or Mac OS computer. It's always a good idea to ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version to avoid any settings issues. Once Edge is up and running, look towards the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see three horizontal dots, which are also known as the ellipsis. Click on those to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you want to select Settings, and this will open Edge's configuration dashboard. Now look at the Settings panel on the left-hand side. Here you'll find several options, but the one we're interested in is labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. Give that a click. This section contains all settings related to privacy, tracking prevention, and, most importantly for our purpose, your search engine behavior. Next, click Search and Connected Experiences until you find a section labeled Address Bar and Search. Click on this option, as it will allow you to manage how searches are performed when you type directly into the browser's address bar. Once you're in the address bar and search section, find the setting called Search Engines and click on it. This will pull up a list displaying all available search engines that are installed in your Edge browser. Common options you might see include Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and, of course, Google, which is the one we're interested in. Now scroll through the list until you find Google. Look to the far right of Google's name and you'll see three vertical dots. Click on these dots to open the action menu. Within this menu, you'll see an option that says Make Default. Click this, and just like that, Google will be officially set as your default search engine for any searches performed directly from the address bar. After making this change, every time you type something into the address bar and hit enter, Edge will use Google instead of Bing or any other search engine. You won't need to manually go to google.com anymore. It'll just work seamlessly. And there you have it. You've now successfully switched your search engine in Microsoft Edge to Google. This small tweak can make your browsing experience feel faster, more efficient, and more tailored to your habits. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Also, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any more helpful tech tips and how-tos. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. We love helping out and replying to our viewers. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.